Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Hearty Eat series brought to you by the Heart Foundation of Jamaica. We have some exciting and fun-filled sessions where we will be showing you simple, creative ideas on how to use locally grown fruits, vegetables, herbs, and other Jamaican foods to make heart-healthy meals, snacks, and beverages. Get your chef hats on and your cooking skills ready to take on the kitchen. Stay tuned as we jump right into things.
So, Joshua, we're here today. We're going to be making water, if that's possible. All right, we're going to be making infused water. So we are, as your bib says, yes to water. We're being encouraged to drink more and more water. But this is something, water is flavorless. And a lot of times we don't enjoy it. So we will go towards the sweet drinks, right? Because there is flavor there.
True.
So what we're going to do today, we are going to make water more flavorful without the sugar. So, and this is our infused water. And what it is, it's simply just water and flavor. So we are using our fresh fruits and vegetables to infuse. We're going to get the flavor from these into the water. So instead of going for the sweet flavor, we're going to have a really refreshing drink.
Infused water.
And infused water. And this is how simple it is. You basically just get your fruit or vegetable of choice. And we're going to do a pineapple and watermelon.
Yes.
And it's this simple, guys. Just go ahead, cut up your fruits, and you drop them into the water. That's it. It couldn't be any more simple than that. Your watermelon. And you can leave this anywhere from, that's it, 4 hours to overnight, and you'll have a really refreshing beverage to drink without the sugar. And you know, when it's really, really hot, this beats everything else, your infused water. So which other, we have here a few things, Joshua. What are some things that come to mind that you think you would enjoy having the flavor in your water?
Lime?
Lime.
Let's try lime.
Yeah, so we could do just simply a lime water. And what we do with that one, we just simply just cut up the whole lime, and we drop it in the water. Anywhere 4 hours to overnight, you have something delicious. All right?
Can't wait.
And that's as simple as it is, infused water. So what's going to happen now, the water will pull, you'll get all your vitamins, the water will be enriched because you'll be getting vitamins and minerals being pulled from the fruits or vegetable into the water. So it won't be just flavorless, void of nutrition. It's going to be really good. All right, so there you have it, infused water. And then now, Joshua, let's just do a few other flavors together.
No problem.
So we can show everyone. Lime and mint would be nice. Cucumber. Okay, now, Joshua, you show me now some flavors that you think you'd enjoy drinking.
Most definitely. I'll choose the ginger and the lime.
Okay.
Seem to be an interesting mix.
All right, so we wouldn't need to peel our lime or anything. We're just going to slice it up.
Slice.
And that's what makes this so easy. There isn't much preparation that you have to do. No peeling, just wash, clean fruits, vegetables, and put them in the water.
Yeah, happy. Okay.
So now you can slice up your ginger, just do thin slices.
Thin slices.
All right.
That's it.
Yeah, keep going. I'm going to add a little more. All right, and that ought to do it. You can go ahead now, and we're going to add it. Just add them to your water.
Okay.
And these you can leave in the fridge, get them nice and chilled. And as we said, 4 hours to overnight should be good.
Most definitely.
All right, so that, and let's get another one. Let's try another flavor. You want about like cucumber and mint should be very cooling.
Cucumber mint.
Yeah, we could do that one.
Excellent choice.
So just our slices of cucumber and sprigs of mint. All right, so go ahead. You can slice them a little thinner. Yeah. one more should do it. And then, or we can add some mint to it. Let's pick some mint.
Let's pick some.
Yes.
Okay.
All right, that ought to be good. So just stick your mint in, stick your cucumbers in there, and that's gonna be really pretty and refreshing.
And refreshing.
Yes. All right, so that's our cucumber and mint. So that's a second one. And any other ideas you see there on the plate?
Lemon and ginger.
Yeah, and we could just even do lemon water,
True.
which is really good. So we could do some lemons. Just turn it flat side down, and slice, thin slices.
You should do.
Another one we could do pineapple and ginger, which is a really good one. Pineapple. Okay. Can even just drop this whole piece in. That's all right. And then we're gonna do pineapple and ginger, which I don't have the pineapple. It's up there. Alright, so you can get your ginger in. Just drop your ginger in. We're getting the water and the pineapple. So you can slice up your pineapple. That ought to be good. Okay, so Joshua, these look really refreshing. And on a really hot day, what more could you want?
Nothing more.
Our flavors that you came up with, we have our pineapple and ginger. This was ginger lime. We have our mint and cucumber and lemon. And these look really, really good. And you know, we're going to try them in a little while, but remember, always allow the flavors to infuse into the water, and that will take time. So we say anywhere from 4 hours to overnight, and you'll have something really, really good. Joshua, definitely we would want to drink more water now that we have more flavor. And this is something that even for your regular bottle of water that you're going to take to work with you, or when you go jogging, add a little flavor, you will drink more. So there you have it, your infused water, which just takes minutes to put together. And the time, just allow it to infuse 4 hours to overnight, and you'll have something really refreshing.
For this and more heart-healthy recipes, visit our website at www.heartfoundationja.org, on Instagram at heartfoundationja, and on Facebook at Heart Foundation Jamaica. Do enjoy!